Hello everyone, this is me Mohammad Irfan. I am here with another exciting Power Apps video. In today's video, we will be diving into the polymorphic lookups, a powerful feature that simplify data relationships in Dynamics 365. So let's get started and explore how it works. So first of all, let's see what is the polymorphic lookup. A polymorphic lookup is a special type of the lookup field in Dynamics 365. Normally, whenever we use a lookup field, it's referencing only one tables into the another tables, but in the polymorphic its name indicating it's a polymorphic, so it means the lookup field can be referenced a multiple where multiple tables and a multiple entity in a single lookup fields. So why use the polymorphic? It's a very flexibility and simplified and scalable, and basically most of the good thing is it's improved the user experience. Okay, so now let's see one of the scenario we are going to create over here. So for example, we have one of the customer support table on which we have three different uh, tables, accounts, contact, and the products. Okay, so before the polymorphic, if we have to look up these three tables or these three entities, then we should to create, there is two options. Either we have to use the activity table, or either we used to use multiple lookups. Okay, for example, the lookup for the accounts, lookup for the context, lookup for the products. But now when we have the options, the polymorphic lookup, then we should only create a single field, and it will reference all these three tables: accounts, contacts, and the products. Okay, so for implementing this, Microsoft is providing the flexibility to use the XRM toolbox, on which we have one of the tools to use. So this is the XRM toolbox. I believe you guys know how it can be connected and you can use. So in the tools, we have the options. We have the tools available, polymorphic lookup manager. When you click or when you open it, it will give you a window like this. So here we have to define the solutions. For example, this polymorphic lookup will be changes in which solution. So we have to select the solution first of all. So let's say in our case, I'm going to select my training solutions, and after that we have to reference in which tables we are going to create a polymorphic lookup. So in our case we have the table like uh, TR customer support. Okay, for example, here I want to create we have to select the option create new polymorphic lookup. Okay, and this is the lookup display name. For example, I am going to create a related to, basically this is the lookup display name, and it will automatically create the schema name. And here we have the option, or we have the listed all of the entity available in my system. So here we have the options, how many entity or tables we have to select. For example, in our case, I am going to select like the accounts, like contact, and like the products. So I am going to create a polymorphic lookup by combining three different tables like the account, contact, and the products. After that, you just click on the create polymorphic lookup. So it will create fields, and it will be available in your selected solutions here in the training solutions. So let it create in the solutions. That in the meantime, it is creating. I am navigating to the applications, that so that you I can, for example, this is my applications. Okay, here I'm I have two forms. Okay, when the information and customers. So here you can see in the informations, let's say we are define the single lookup, like the account, like the contact, like the products. So for this we have to do another customizations, like if you are using the account, then this lookup should. disable or the hide. So you have to incorporate your the manual customization, the JavaScript script based on the or the business rule based on the. So this is very aware like we are using a multiple lookup. Okay. So so now let's move the uh, XRM toolbox. Now we can see the polymorphic lookup has been created and added to the solutions. Now I am moving to the solutions, show you the created. Coming back to my let it solution is training solution 3, pick my solutions 3, and now in the tables I was selected my customer entity or the tables. I'm moving to the columns, and in the columns we will be able to see the related to field. So here we can see about the related field is available here. Yeah. So this is the lookup field which we have created over the XRM tool. Now I am moving and adding it to the forms. Okay. Now I'm moving forms. This is the form in. It will be available over here, and this is one of my the custom app like related to the customer support. Example, let it download forms. So here I am just dragging over, okay, and our lookup field is polymorphic lookup field is added into the form. Now I'm just save and publishing. It's time to changes. The publisher has been refresh our page, and we will see. Now I am refreshing my page. So now, as I mentioned, this is I'm using different form just to size the things. So this is the information page by default on which we are currently using the three different look: account, contact, and product. So now I'm moving my customer form. Here we have to edit the two fields over here. So now, for example, I'm just showing to whenever you look a field, now you can see here the results from three types of records. It means it's records coming from the accounts, coming from the contacts, coming from the products. Now you see in the single lookup, you are able to select the record from the different entity tables. This is the polymorphic lookup. So you can click on the context. So it will list down all the contexts. For example, on the product, so it will list down all the products. Back it from the three types of the record. Types of records means it's giving you a different type of the tables. So that's what the polymorphic lookup is work and how it create. So so this is the thing why which we can use the polymorphic lookup over here. So I hope this video help you to understand the power and the flexibility of polymorphic lookup in D365. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight. If you have any questions or want to see, I'll drop comment next time. Explore. Thank you. Bye bye.